Oh, it was very close. Okay, this is also profitable trade. The time period is just 1 minute. Yep, today we have quite nice initial deposit of $200. Now we have already opened the first order. This is sell position. And as I told you, this trade was profitable one. We received money from it, $92. So our current deposit is now $292, and we are ready to move forward. Downgoing trend right now, so that's why I have opened sell position here and was investing our $150. What do we have interesting more? And yep, this trade is also closed with profit, and we have $430 on the account right now. So that's why we are ready to move forward. Now let me change our investment to $250 and let me open sell position here. Okay, so one more profitable trade. We have $697 on the account. Let me open buy position. $300 I invested. Oh, thanks God, it was profitable one. We have $933 on the account right now. We are ready to move forward. By the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, please don't forget to open the description to it. I forgot to tell about this. In my Telegram channel, you will find the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. I have already opened one more buy position. According to the current market structure and pattern, I think that we're highly likely to break through the upper edge of this upgoing channel. So that's why let's do this. Let's see, my friends, let's do this. Okay, it's down. We have $1,200 on the account right now. This is a very nice result, and still we have time to open one more buy position. I have opened buy position. $400 I invested. Oh, it was very close. Okay, this is also profitable trade. We have $1,549 on the account. So if you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible. And all you need right now is just open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. See you all, my friends, and bye-bye.